Week 7, day 1, and the contractors weren't here today, so nothing happened. But I have been working on other things, so right here is the thing. Let me show you. I've taken this door off of its hinges, and I have it down in the shop, and I'm sanding it down and restaining it and putting a nice poly finish on it. You're watching On the Mark with Mark. Week 7, day 2. Look at that. We have a mirror on the wall. Now, there's a few other things that got done today too. Let me show you. The location for the towel ring, the bathrobe hook, and the towel bar have been located and we have approved them. These are also the grab bars that are going to be in the shower here. There's another one that actually is holds one of the shower heads that's going to be on this wall. So that's been marked, and this is for the toilet paper holder. And I've pointed out this piece that looks unfinished here, and we have this piece that has showed up. So it looks like that's going to be a filler to fill that area in there, so that's good. I think I hear Shelly. We're in here. There's another trim piece. And there's Shelly. Have you given it the CAT scan yet? How's it look? Well, now you're not talking. Hey, and this trim's got put back up. So that's nice. Did that look good? It's okay? All right, don't talk to me then. All right, and there's one of the tools. The washer and dryers got moved, and I see that the pan is under the washer here. And I looked down in the basement, and it doesn't look like the actual drain has been plumbed in. Also, the dryer has not been wired. And there's the hoses for the washing machine, which has not been hooked up, and it looks pretty tight. I think the washer is going to end up being slid out a little ways, and that's, yeah, this is part of the drain for the pan, so that still needs to get done, but things are moving along. Let's go look in the other room. Okay, it still looks like nothing has happened in here. I wonder if they know they left this tool here, because I haven't touched it. It's been laying there for over a week. But there's just a piece of trim that needs to go at the floor here, baseboard. And then the covers for the outlets on the wall need to get put on. Otherwise, I mean, that's really it for this room. If that was done, we could start unpacking this room. Week 7, day 3. Okay, I lost all the video that I shot on day 3. So here is week 7, day 4. So let's take a look at what happened. The faucet has been installed. There is water that can come out of this. Look at this. Isn't that clever? Very fancy. So if a person just wanted to wash their hair there, they could. Let's see, we have Place for a hand towel here, a hook for a robe. There's for a bath towel, and grab bars for old people, including one up here that also doubles as the holder for the secondary shower head, which could be nice too. We still need to get the glass doors put on here. Here's the holder for the toilet paper. And these are going to be mounted in here. So there's going to be some shelves in the shower itself for shampoo and soap and that sort of things. And the toilet is actually installed. Haven't even looked there. Looks like it's got water in it. I'm afraid to flush it. Trim is done down here, including a little bit of blue trim right there that covers that piece of floor tile that was cut a little bit too wide. So that's okay. Let's go over to the laundry room side, which is looking pretty finished. They came up with a pretty neat way of making a register for this room. They made it out of some of the floor tile, so that really blends in nice. The pan for the washer has been installed. Let's have a look. There is the drain down there for it. And the hoses, oh my gosh, what are the hoses doing back here? Yikes, oh, I don't like that. And it looks like the dryer has been wired, so that's cool. Hadn't seen that before. I don't think there's really anything else. The trim on the door still hasn't been done on either door there. So that's where we are here. So we're kind of coming along. Let's take a look downstairs and see if we see where that drain comes through the floor. Here is where it comes through the floor. So that is going to get drained off in this direction here. We're going to come across, and then they're saying they can't go into the regular sanitary sewer, but we can go either into the sump pump or this lift pump for the washing machine. So anyway, one or the other. We'll see what happens. Week 7, day 5, and the baseboard has been put in here. Looks like the paint came up a little bit short right there, but otherwise, man, this room is looking finished. Got some tools here. Let's see if anything's happening in here. This piece right here is going to go under this leading edge here. What else do we have going on? Got a ladder here. Okay. All right, I know they're going to caulk the countertop to the wall here today. That's on the list. And the shelves are getting installed in here. Oh, 3. It's going to be another one on that side. What else do we have going? It's all I see right now. Yep, you're in the video.
Oh, your video?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be in the video. You're going to be on YouTube.
This door just turned out beautiful. Very happy with it. Got it reinstalled now. So I still have a couple of more doors to do in this house, but this is what I finished so far. Well, that wraps up week 7 on our rebuild here. And I'm working on doors. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna finish on week 8 here. So the next video will be the wrap up. Maybe I'll do a compilation of every day and show from beginning to end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Good, good, good.